first of all, how to open it. Open on that direction, close this direction. Open. Perfect. And here we have weight, so it's bottom. Here we have waves, so that's the surface. So technically the rope has to go in this direction. So bottom is over there, surface over here. Surface, bottom. And you can ease it a little bit from the valve up. Goes into place. Now again, close on this direction, open on that direction, so we will close. And we put the carabiner. Now the pulley is fully locked. It can't be opened anymore until we take the carabiner. So how it works. Buoy, bottom weight, and I press here, it releases, pull the rope, and it locks automatically. I can also push a little bit just from the valve, and it's okay. And how to take it away? First, carabiner. Now it can be opened. Open on that direction, close this direction, so open, and then we can take the rope away. Close this direction, open that direction, so close. This can be rinsed in fresh water after this one. Keep it in a good shape. That's about it. Freediving pulley.